Okay, so Magnum is Magnum PI, Dick Tracy, Shaft, and Monk. These are TV detectives. I think that one's pretty self-evident there. Then I see these cleaning tools like a broom, a mop, a sponge, a rag. These are just things you use to clean. Then I see pollen and pepper and dust. These things make you sneeze, and I'm thinking they're saying smoke, but smoke makes me cough, not sneeze, so I don't really know about that one. And then these last four are just ingredients in food or ingredients that make a good recipe. So I don't know. You tell me, does smoke make you sneeze?